documented adhesive and cohesive properties. Adhesive, it's sticking to the surface of something like the glass or plastic. Cohesive is going to be sticking to itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore that cohesive property of water and its adhesive property of water. So when you do today's lab, you are going to fill up these little cups that you have with water, and you are going to put them at the highest possible level just before the water starts to overflow. Then you are going to take paper clips, and you're going to look at these little paper clips. They're about 1 gram a piece, and you are going to determine how many paper clips it is going to take to put that water over the sides of that cup. Okay? So if you want, you guys can go ahead and get up and you can get water for your cups. You'll probably want more water than just this. Go ahead and use your beakers to do that, and you guys go ahead and bring your papers and stuff up here. All right, and you guys know where you're going. Who are you going with? You want to come over into this group? You can. There's a seat there where Lucas would sit, and you can sit there, and you can just pull a chair up next to Brooke. Okay. You're gonna need lots of paper towels, you guys. So there's paper towels up in this up there.
Do we need more water?
You're gonna need more water than that. You're gonna need to fill your beaker with water. So if you go ahead and flip your page over, keep going. You're going to need your chart. All right, I'm going to show you. This is what your chart looks like. Thanks. So before we get started, the first thing you're going to need to do is determine how many paper clips it's going to take to get the water to overflow out of the cup. So, everybody, go ahead and pour the water into your cups. I would put paper towels underneath of it so that you can see, because sometimes it's just a little drop that gets put up underneath. All right, I am going to move. So,
is he gonna watch us?
He's gonna watch you guys. So don't.
Okay, somebody else is gonna have to do this because I'm too shaky.
Okay.
How much?
I gotta, move the water cup back just a little bit so that, there you go, that's perfect.
How much water?
All the way to the top, and then do you have your little dropper? You add drops of water till it's like overflowing. So you, all the way to the top, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Okay.
All the way, keep going, you got more room. Keep going.
Oh, he's right there.
There you go. Okay. All right. So you've got it all the way to overflowing. So let it stop. So now you got it all the way to overflowing. So if you look at that, if you get down along the side, do you notice it's mushrooming over the side?
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? Right? So what we're going to do, how many paper clips do you think it's going to take? And this is what the paper clips look like. They're just 1 gram is all. So how many do you think it's going to take on your chart? Next page. How many paper clips do you
I'd say, how many do you guys think?
6. It's all right, keep going.
5. I was gonna say 10. Everyone pick a different number. How about that?
5.
Who's closer?
You're
10.
not breaking the surface tension of the water. Did you notice that?
I'm gonna use 12.
Notice their paper clips are floating, and the reason is because they're just putting them on the surface like that.
You want to
Put them in
actually
an
drop
angle.
them down. Okay.
Yeah. So did you write down how many paper clips you think it's
Yeah,
going to take?
we all guessed a different number.
That's good. It's fine. Go ahead and start counting them.
1. It's gonna be a lot more than okay. 3. 4. 5. 6.
I think I'm gonna change my guess.
Don't change. It's all right.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well, Lydia's gonna be the closest because all of us are under 10. 11, 12, 13. We're gonna be here a while.
That's alright, I got more
So she was 2. Then
13, did I leave off on 13?
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
14, 15, 16, 17,
Not even moving.
18, 19,
You gave her 100 people.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Keep watching to see when it goes
26,
out.
That's weird.
27, 28,
And you notice it's just mushrooming up, don't
It's just
you?
sitting there. It's like goo.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
I can read
35,
Everyone guess a different number now.
1.
You can't do that. You don't have to write it down.
Oh,
I'm gonna guess. What are we on, 35?
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess 60. 50. I'm gonna go 50.
6,
I'm gonna guess
37, 38, 39,
I'm going 70.
40, 41,
Is it ever actually gonna go?
42,
Or are we doing this for nothing?
You're doing it right.
43, 44, 45,
I'm gonna go 75.
46, 47, 48, 49.
It's like, it looks like a bubble.
You can tell it's raising, it's just not
Yeah.
going
not
over.
going over yet.
You can see it on the
50.
video too.
51,
Mm-hmm.
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9,
Ooh,
Oh,
There it went.
there we go. 59.
59.
Oh, I said 60. Okay, so write that down.
Difference 49.
So plus 49, right? Yeah. Okay, so everybody's got a different number. That's fine.
It's just
That's
gonna
fine.
continue
You're
to.
guessing.
It's just gonna
So
continue to overflow.
honestly, water. I mean, those bonds holding it are pretty. Even though they're weak individually, together they're very strong. So now what we're gonna do? The reason they're still going. They're at. So we'll turn it around so that they can see how.
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 80, 9, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200.
Read some more.
We need more paper
We're
clips.
at 201. If we guess 20.
I'm sure we'll be here for a while.
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
It was all the way to the top.
how many is that?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. At whenever, at 54. 254.
It's
So it took them 254. All right, so your difference would be a plus what? Okay, so what you're going to do now, your group, since you guys are ready,
Fish
is
the paper clips out.
you can pour your water back in there and get your paper clips back out.
Can we like put this here and keep the paper clips?
Sure.
Or use a finger?
It doesn't matter. You're
Just
listen.
pour.
It's all right. It's
Oh, that went
Super
swimmingly.
well. Listen, we have a bunch of paper.
that's why I said it takes a lot of paper towels, but it's all right.
We're gonna have to reapply our paper towels. Just pick these up.
We lost one.
That's all right.
That's okay.
All right. So
Okay.
now what you're gonna do? Why did I talk about surfactants? You remember that last question, number 11, where you had your 4 things. We talked about why is it when your mom washes your clothes, she doesn't just throw it in water? Is water going to clean your clothes?
No.
You need to have soap so that the water can rinse away.
I'm like
The
giving
dirt
really
particles.
weird faces to the camera.
So what we're going to do is we're going to explore how a surfactant works. We said, you read the article, it said it makes water wetter. What does that mean? It means that it weakens the hydrogen bonds even more. So theoretically, if it can weaken the hydrogen bonds, should it take more or less paper clips? It should take less, right?
Yes.
So I want you to think about that after doing your first experiment and estimate how many paper clips you think it's going to take once you have added a surfactant. Okay,
Well, in the 30s range, I think.
now
Yeah, put 37.
30, 32, 35,
37.
37.
add your
How much?
surfactant.
So,
Dump it in
Here,
there.
then put it in there? Or put it all in here? And
Put it in there and stir it up really well.
oh, wait, do we need to fish the paper clip out? That's not good.
Oh, I thought you were gonna try to suck it up. Like, yeah, that's not gonna work.
Totally. Oh well, I sucked some up, but
That's all right. Okay, so she's going to give you, once they've got their soap, they're going to pass it over. You
Okay.
guys are going to use your
Wait, how
much?
much?
Just dump it in there. It's
It's
all
like a
right.
brick.
punch it out.
So make sure the soap dissolves. I've had this for a few years, like 10.
I'll say it's just gonna come out in
You
chunks.
It will.
Or not at all.
There we go.
Oh, it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck on a big pole. Woo! How much? It's stuck
Keep
again.
adding.
Okay.
Go ahead. Well, okay. You want it good and soapy, good and bubbly. All right, see how that does, and you can add you some more.
Okay. That's not soapy at all. It's just
Anyone
turning
near
it.
me? It's like a bubble bath.
No, I don't know. You pointed in there.
Okay, go ahead and add your soap. Is that one of those Alex? I don't think it's an Alex.
I don't like I got soap all over me.
There's a hair. You were like attracting hair today.
You guys had less water than us.
Yeah.
Ours were like over fun when we first poured in.
Ours was.
Ours was like
Because
bubbled already.
she told us that to put it all the way over the top.
I want to put them
Yeah,
in.
you
but I
want to
don't
go
know.
all the way to the top so that it's like practically over.
I'll count.
Yeah, we're gonna need some
There's like a
more.
lot of soap right there.
Keep
I
stirring.
can see it.
Make sure it's over.
Here's the rest of those.
Open them
I need some. We need more. You know that's on the video, right? It's going to more than just Lucas.
Are they gonna see me like the whole time?
Yes. Probably.
No, now.
I know. I was singing. I saw
outside.